Welcome to Mexico City. Hello, you absolute poppets. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a whirlwind adventure as we jet off to the dazzling metropolis of Mexico City. Oh, the places we'll go, the sights we'll see. Think Frida Kahlo, darling, and ancient pyramids, and markets overflowing with treasures you simply won't find anywhere else. But it's not just about the landmarks, is it? We're going to delve into the heart and soul of this vibrant city. I'm talking tantalizing culinary experiences, my dears. From Michelin-starred restaurants to the most divine street food you've ever tasted. And of course, we simply can't forget about where to rest our weary heads after a day of exploring. Don't worry, I've got you covered with the most fabulous hotels, darling, from opulent palaces to charming boutiques. So sit back, pour yourself a tequila sunrise, and let's get this fiesta started. First things first, my little chicharrones, we have to hit the ground running. And where better to start than the Zocalo? This bustling heart of Mexico City is practically pulsating with history and energy. Imagine, darling, Aztec ruins nestled right next to colonial masterpieces. It's enough to make your head spin. Speaking of masterpieces, you simply cannot miss the Frida Kahlo Museum. Stepping inside is like stepping into one of her paintings, all vibrant colors and surreal beauty. Ooh, the stories those walls could tell. And speaking of stories, prepare to be transported back in time at the Templo Maya, where you can practically feel the presence of the ancient Aztecs. And for a taste of royalty, darling, a visit to Chapultepec Castle is an absolute must. Perched atop a hill with breathtaking views of the city, it's the perfect spot to channel your inner empress. And trust me, after a day of exploring these magnificent landmarks, you'll be ready for a strong margarita and a little siesta. But don't worry, the adventure continues. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, shall we? Food, glorious food. And darling, Mexico City is a veritable paradise for foodies. We're talking taste bud tantalizing explosions of flavor in every bite. First up, you simply cannot leave without trying tacos al pastor. Imagine, darling, succulent marinated pork, cooked to perfection on a rotating spit, and piled high on warm tortillas with cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime. Oh, it's enough to make me swoon. And for something truly special, we must indulge in mole, the national dish of Mexico. This rich, complex sauce, made with a secret blend of spices and often chocolate, is simply divine. But darling, it's not just about fancy restaurants. Some of the best food in Mexico City is found on the streets, so grab yourself a plate of esquites, grilled corn with chili, lime and cheese, a steaming cup of champorado, thick hot chocolate with corn flour, and prepare to be utterly charmed. Now, darlings, I know what you're thinking. Mexico City is all well and good with its ancient ruins and delicious food, but where can a girl find a little culture? Well, fret not, my little tamales, because Mexico City is practically bursting at the seams with art, music, and vibrant cultural experiences. First up, we simply must take a stroll through the streets and admire the incredible street art. From colorful murals to thought-provoking graffiti, every corner is like a living, breathing art gallery. And for a truly immersive experience, let's catch a show at the Palacio de Bellas Artes, a stunning Art Deco masterpiece that plays host to everything from opera and ballet to traditional Mexican music and dance. And speaking of music, darling, Mexico City has a soundtrack all its own. From the mariachi bands serenading diners in Plaza Garibaldi to the pulsating rhythms of salsa clubs, there's something for everyone. So put on your dancing shoes, grab a partner, and let's paint the town red. Darling, after a long day of exploring and soaking up all that culture, you'll need a fabulous place to rest your weary head. And luckily for you, Mexico City has accommodation options for every taste and budget. If you're feeling like royalty, why not check into one of the city's opulent hotels? Think rooftop pools with breathtaking views, marble bathrooms fit for a queen, and service that's absolutely divine. But darling, you don't have to break the bank to experience the best of Mexico City. There are plenty of charming boutique hotels and cozy guest houses tucked away in the city's most vibrant neighborhoods. Imagine, darling, waking up to the smell of fresh churros from the bakery downstairs and sipping your morning coffee in a sun-drenched courtyard. Simply divine. And for the truly adventurous, why not try an Airbnb? You can find anything from chic apartments in trendy neighborhoods to sprawling haciendas just outside the city center. No matter your style or budget, darling, Mexico City has the perfect place for you to call home. At least for a few days. Now, my little enchiladas, before we get too carried away with visions of pyramids and margaritas, we need to talk about the practicalities. First things first, packing. Remember, Mexico City is a city of contrasts, so pack for all types of weather. You'll need light clothing for those sunny days exploring ancient ruins, but don't forget a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings. And speaking of essentials, darling, let's talk pesos. Mexico City is a very affordable city, but it's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand for taxis, street food, and those irresistible souvenirs. Trust me, you'll want to be prepared to haggle in the markets, darling. Now, when it comes to getting around, you'll find that Mexico City has a fantastic public transportation system. The metro is cheap, efficient, and a great way to experience the city like a local. But darling, if you're feeling adventurous, why not hail a taxi or try one of the city's colorful paseros, shared minibuses? Just be sure to agree on a price before you hop in. Well, my little chimichangas, it seems our whirlwind adventure has come to an end. I do hope you've enjoyed our little jaunt through this magical city as much as I have. Remember, darlings, Mexico City is a place that stays with you long after you've left. The colors, the flavors, the music, the warmth of the people. It's simply unforgettable. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more fabulous adventures, and most importantly, come back and tell me all about your Mexican escapades. Until next time, my dears, stay fabulous. Adios.